Are you ready for the fun journey? So let's learn the alphabet. A. A is for apple, and the apple is red. A for airplane, and the airplane flies. Here comes B. B for boy, and the boy is cute. B for ball, and the ball is blue. Now comes C. C for cat, and the cat says meow. C for car, and the car is yellow. Here is D. D for dog, and the dog named Bingo. D for doll, and the doll is tall. E. E for elephant, and the elephant is huge. E for ear, and the ear hears clear. It's F. F for fish, and the fish lives in the water. F for frog, and the frog eats bugs. Now G. G for grapes, and the grapes are green. G for girl, and the girl is happy. Here is H. H for hat, and the hat is small. H for horse, and the horse runs fast. Here is I. I for ice cream, and ice cream is yummy. I for ink, and ink is blue. Now J. J for jug, and the jug is full. J for juice, and the juice is cool. It's K now. K for kite, the kite is bright. K for key, and the key is long. Here comes L. L for lion, and the lion is king. L for lamb, and the lamb says ma. Now meet M. M for monkey, and the monkey is funny. M for mouse, and the mouse eats the cheese. Look at N. N for nest, and the nest is on the tree. N for nose, and the nose is long. Meet O. O for orange, and the orange is round. O for owl, and the owl wakes at night. Here comes P. P for pen, and the pen is black. P for pig, and the pig is big. Now that's Q. Q for queen, and queen is beautiful. Q for question, and the symbol is this. It's R now. R for rabbit, and the rabbit eats carrots. R for rose, and the rose is pink. Say hi to S. S for ship, and the ship is sailing. S for shoes, and the shoes are black. Hello, T. T for tumbler, and the tumbler is of silver. T for time, and the time is 10. Let's meet U. U for umbrella, and the umbrella is colorful. U for utensil, and the utensil is made of steel. Here is V. V for van, and the van is white. V for violin, and violin sounds great. This is W. W for window, and the window is open. W for wheel, and the wheel has spokes. Now comes X. X is for X-ray. X is for Xmas. Here comes Y. Y for yolk, and the yolk is yellow. Y for yatch, and the yatch is blue. Hi, Z. Z for zebra, and zebra has stripes. Z for zoo, and zoo is full of animals. Are you ready to learn more? Then watch out my next train and enjoy learning. Let's learn the colors. This is Mr. Red. R-E-D. Red. Apple is red. Meet Mr. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Banana is yellow. Now Mr. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Leaf is green. Meet Miss Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Candy is pink. This is Mr. White. W-H-I-T-E. White. Milk is white. Now meet Mr. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Crow is black. Now it's turn for Mr. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Sun is orange. Hi, Mr. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Ink is blue. And lastly, now the turn is Mr. Purple's. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Are you ready to learn more? Then watch out my next train and enjoy learning. Let's learn counting. Count the apples. 1. 1 apple. Count the oranges. 1, 2, 2 oranges. Count the mangoes. 1, 2, 3. 3 mangoes. Count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strawberries. Count the tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tomatoes. Count the sweet limes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sweet limes. Count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7. 7 bananas. Count the watermelons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 watermelons. Count the papayas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 9 papayas. Count the pears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pears.
Are you ready to learn more? Then watch out my next train and enjoy learning.